this tutorial, we will provide the hard drive with power and data connectivity. Make sure you use an anti-static strap or ground yourself to avoid damage to the components. We will first use the SATA cable. This cable provides data connectivity. So let's connect it. On the motherboard, I have connected the cable's other end to the 6 Gbps SATA header. Next, we need to provide power. For this, we will use the power cable which is provided along with the power supply. That's it with this tutorial, guys. I hope you liked it. Please rate, comment, subscribe and visit techbarrack.com.